Hello friends, this is Swapnin and welcome to Learn SAP ABAP. So in this session we will discuss about for iteration with where clause, or you can say it for statement with the where condition. Okay. So in the last video I have shown you how to use the alternative of loop, that is for iteration, in a SAP ABAP with the basic programming. Okay, but if you didn't watch that video, then you can find the link given in the description. Okay, so go and check it out later on. So today we will see how to use the for syntax with the where condition. Here where condition in the for iteration will also behave same like as when we use the where condition in the loop statement. Okay, so stay tuned till the end and keep watching this video. Okay, so let's go to the ABAP editor.
Okay, so now I'm in my web editor. So what first need to do is first you just need to declare types. Let's declaring one types begin of emp data. Then take any will take a name type Carden. Then we'll take city. Okay, we are taking only two fields as of now. Carden and here end of emp data. Okay, so now what we have done, we have just declared one structure. Okay, take one more type emp data. So type standard table of emp data with empty key. So here now, yes, I have declared the table type over here. So after that, the next step is lt underscore emp data. This is the inline declaration. This data will refer to this table type. So tmp data. Okay, this is nothing. So what we are doing, we are just taking, we have just declared one table, internal table with the reference to this table type. Okay, this table type have already defined over here. So now what we will do, we will just fill this table with the table with the values. So what we have first field is name. Okay. So name can give any name. We'll give the Jackson, and the second column is city. Okay, city. Give Mumbai. Okay. Now the next column will take as a, again we will fill the data name equal to Ramesh, then city as an Pune. Okay, and again we'll declare one more name type Mahesh, Mahesh city as a Bangalore. Okay, so what here we are doing, we are just filling the internal table with the value. Okay, the name is equal to Jackson, city is equal to Mumbai, and we are just appending three record for this table. Okay, so we'll write on the right statement table data. Okay, and after that, the loop in order to display the record in the table. Loop lt data, assigning field symbol fs emp data. Okay, then we'll write one right slash fsamp data fsamp data name, then space fsamp data city. Okay, so now we'll see how we can use the where condition. Okay, now you can use the for the where condition we need data. We'll use one more data here and name as name and city equal to Mumbai. Okay, okay, so now we have to use where condition. We'll use the where condition. We will fetch the all the entries. We will fetch the all the cities belongings to Mumbai. Okay, so for that also we have declared the same table type over here. For this we declaring one city table equal to value tty city city. Then here we will use for, then work area in is nothing but employee data. Now here where city is equal to Mumbai. Okay, why, and we will call only that will be data. Okay, employee data city. Okay, now shipping loop at lt city into ls city. Then we'll write statement ls city. Okay, I will activate to data ls city. Okay, as I have activated. Okay, so now we will run this program S38. Okay, so now as you can see here, these are the all the data we have available in our table, as you can see here. And in this this statement will read all the states, all the city belongs to only Mumbai, because we have added here where condition. Okay, so using this way you can use the where condition. So this is the output value.
So now you have learned how to use the for iteration with where condition in SAP ABAP. If you want a sample code for your practice purpose, then you can copy the same code from my website. The link is also given in the description. And if you like this video, then please press the like button. If you have any doubt, then write me in a comment section below. If you want to learn more about map, then you can visit my website www.learnsapabap.com. The link is also given in the description. And please subscribe to my channel to get the notification about my next upcoming videos. So friends, bye, signing out.